ready?
Huh?
You want to cross the street with it?
I got it.
Okay, you got it.
No. What?
Yeah, there's a van coming. Beep, beep. Backing up.
Beep, beep, backing up. Hold on, wait on the car. Oh, it's gone.
He got that from his Bigfoot. Beep, beep, backing up. Okay, come on, you can go now.
Come on, cross the street.
There's a car coming. Car.
Hold on.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Come on.
Come on, baby. Nope. Let's go across the street now. Yeah. Yeah, it's yours. Okay.
You gonna let me take it? Can I tote it?
No.
Oh, okay.
What color is it, baby?
Blue.
No, it's black. It's black. Black.
No.
Come on, bring it on.
It's blue.
We stand in the middle of the street. Come on.
Come on, baby. What's he looking at?
Making sure ain't no cars coming. Come on.
See?
Yeah, I see. There ain't nobody coming.
Wow.
You almost there.
Wow. Honey, I'll do
Help me.
it. I got it.
You want me to help you now?
I got it.
You want me?
No. I got it.
Please? All right.
I got it.
Good job.
You did it. Now turn it this way.
Come this way with it.
I got it. Whoa. Whoa. Whoa.
Whoa. This is CJ bringing the tire to the church for the festival. This is actually going to be a football game. All the little kids are going to throw the football through the tires.
You're not done? Okay.
But this is CJ's tire, and he don't want to turn it loose. No, keep it on the sidewalk, and he won't let us do it. So
No, keep it on sidewalk, boo-boo. Uh-oh. You have to pick it up? You got it? Okay. You need help? Here, come
now he wants Mama's tire.
Bring it to
All right.